Protecting your heart is one of the best things you can do for your health, as it's one of the most important organs in the human body. Lucky for us, food is one of the most efficient and effective routes to heart health. There is a really easy way to make sure you get the nutrients you need for a healthy heart, combining them in a smoothie. The following recipes are absolutely delicious, quite simple to prepare, and most importantly, super healthy. Tangerine heart-friendly berry smoothie. This green smoothie is packed full of heart-healthy ingredients and can be used as a nutrient-dense meal replacement. You'll get plenty of antioxidants, healthy fats, omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, as well as vitamins and minerals such as potassium and folate, all of which are known to be very important for cardiovascular health. Ingredients: 1 medium banana, 1 orange, 1 cup berries, can be just blueberries or a mixture of blueberries, strawberries and raspberries, 1/4 avocado pitted, 2 cups fresh spinach, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1 cup water or almond milk. Directions: add the water to your blender first, followed by the fruit and the greens. Leaf in wind avocado apple delight. This smoothie is full of ingredients that will boost your heart health, regulate your blood pressure and keep your arteries healthy. Ingredients: 1 apple, chopped, 1 avocado, chopped, 1 cup kale, chopped, 1 cup almond milk, 2 heaped tablespoon flaxseed, handful of ice, optional. Directions: throw everything together in your blender and blend until smooth and creamy. If you like chilled smoothies and choose to use ice, be aware that not all types of blenders can cope with this well, and it might damage your blender. Tip: if your blender can handle frozen ingredients, you can use frozen fruits and vegetables instead of the ice cubes, to get a similar effect but without the ice diluting the smoothie. Lemon superfruit smoothie. This smoothie contains 2 superfruits, pomegranate and blueberries. They're full of antioxidants, which can help to protect your heart and blood vessels. Ingredients: 3/4 cup unsweetened blueberries, frozen, 1/2 cup pure pomegranate juice, 1/4 cup Greek yogurt, for a non-dairy version use 1 banana, half a teaspoon lemon zest, half a teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Directions: combine all ingredients in your blender and blend until smooth. Red apple lemonade smoothie. This refreshing smoothie contains heart-healthy potassium and apples, which have been proven to reduce the breakdown of bad LDL cholesterol. Ingredients: 2 green apples, 1/2 lemon peeled, 1 handful or several large leaves of spinach or kale, 2 cups almond milk. Directions: blend all of the ingredients together in your blender until smooth. Banana chocolate almond delight. A heart-healthy smoothie can still feel indulgent if you pick the right ingredients. This one contains cocoa powder, maca powder and almond butter to increase the levels of your good HDL cholesterol, as well as boost your energy. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, frozen, 2 teaspoons cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons maca powder, 3 tablespoons almond butter, 2 cups almond milk. Directions: throw everything in your blender and blend until smooth and creamy.